Mysore Palace is known as Ambavelas Palace, is historical palace and a royal residence. It is located in Mysore, Karnataka, India. It used to be the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as the city of the palaces, and there are 7 palaces including this one. Mysore Palace entry fee ₹40 per person for adults, ₹20 per person for children, 10-18 hours, ₹10 per person for students, letter from school is required, ₹200 per person for foreign tourists. Beautiful door seen in palace, and it made up of beautiful antique works. Nagari elephant picture is painted and pasted on the wall. Wall painting and art inside the palace is very beautiful. Another important painting inside the palace is Chamundi Rathath Save. Silver thrones, complete with elephant tusk mirror. We see Durbar Hall inside the palace. The reason was the royal wedding that was taking place in the Mysore Palace after 40 years. The 5-day wedding was a sight to behold, as the young couple Yaduvir Prishnadatta Chamaraya Wadiyar and Trishika Pumari Singhi Subramania Rajal, 1907–1995, was an Indian artist who patronized the Mysore style of traditional art. Mysore Palace designed by Henry Irwin. Mysore paintings were once painted on the stones and walls by artists. Standing inside the Kalyana Mandap or marriage hall is a fascinating experience. It is an imposing and massive octagonal structure with a multicolored Belgian stained glass ceiling that is breathtaking and casts stunning colored shadows on bright sunny mornings, giving the whole place a surreal feel. Peacock motifs dominate the ceiling and are arranged in geometrical patterns. In fact, peacocks are everywhere, even on the floor, laid with mosaic tiles brought from England. The dome is supported by cast iron pillars from Glasgow and grand chandeliers. The walls are equally arresting, with massive oil paintings depicting the entire Dasra procession. Obviously, the place was used for royal weddings, but also for special occasions. It is currently bereft of any furniture, allowing visitors to appreciate the magnificence of the room. The newly constructed palace was an epitome of excellence, which took 15 years of hard work and labor. The entire design and interiors was handled by King Krishnarajendra Wadiyar to British architect Henry Irving. The final outcome was a 3-storied rock assembly with marble cupolas along with a 145-foot 5-storied tower. The palace is surrounded by a large garden with added royal ornaments. The Durbar Hall, also known as Sadhur Dazara Hall, in Mysore Palace is the most photographed room, for a better word, in the city. Mysore Palace is now one of the most famous tourist attractions in India, after the Taj Mahal, with more than 6 million annual visitors. The public Durbar Hall, the Maharaja, would present himself to people from this hall. There are galleries for royal ladies and guests. Walls around are carved with various forms of Chamundeshwari, the goddess of the royal family. The ceiling has carvings of Dashavathar, the 10 avatars of Vishnu, and the signs of the zodiac. Public Durbar Hall. For public audience, visitors will first see imported French lampstands in the corner representing Egyptian figurines. Just before entering the Durbar Hall, there is a life-size statue of Krishnaraja Wadiyar. This plaster of Paris sculpture is the creation of B. Mysore palace artist Near him is the cutout photograph of his favorite servant, Janitor Peer Bate. Sabre Desar, a hall measuring 42.75 and x 12.70 met in the first floor, is reached by a broad stone staircase. This hall is traversed by granite pillars, roof over with a fine stucco ceiling in a variety of designs. It's a Gatling gun, a very early type of machine gun, and its presence in the palace's collection reflects the Mysore kingdom's historical engagement with advanced military technology of its time. The image shows a display of elaborately decorated gold-plated ornaments, most likely used for decorating elephants during festivals. These ornaments are specifically used during the Dasra festival, referred to in Hindi and Kannada on the banner, especially in Mysore,